Welcome back, folks, in the KARE 11 backyard. We're going to start with a look at your forecasts and the warm-up we have had over the past 24 hours. Remember, last night temperatures were taking a nosedive. We had some strong winds. We had some bitterly cold wind chills. And look at this, the turnaround we have seen. A couple of single-digit changes to your temperature as you look towards the Arrowhead, parts of northern Minnesota. But you can see what is coming in. 20 to 30 degrees warmer in many neighborhoods already versus what we had this time last night. Here's a look at the temperatures right now. And again, sitting in the single digits. International Falls at 0, 12 for St. Cloud, Brainerd you're at 8, 26 in the Twin Cities, and approaching 40 degrees already towards Marshall, Laverne, and Jackson. So some of those upper 30s already on the map. We've seen our temperature in the last hour or two fluctuate a little bit. We saw as high as 30. It's back down to about 26. It's really not expected to move much. There you can see the high that was seen today, 30 degrees. We had some teens and low 20s to the north, and we did find some 40s on the map into southwest Minnesota. Again, keep in mind, the snowpack disappearing in that direction. It'll be easier and easier to get those higher numbers in this portion of the state. But a little further to the west, 40s and 50s, and you can kind of make out that little ridge pattern. Now it arcs up as you move to the west there. That's the ridge pattern we're watching develop across the western half of the U.S. right now. And that ridge is going to migrate to the east, bring us our warm-up into the middle of the week. Temperatures should peak right around Christmas Day, but there is some moisture and energy coming along with it. And that's what's setting us up for some light showers tonight into the overnight hours. But like I mentioned at the top of the show, showers that we've seen in South Dakota and parts of Minnesota so far, all the DOT cams, road cams, looking dry surfaces. So much of this evaporated before it hits the ground. That plays to our favor because as you take a look with this overnight microcast, temperatures will drop a little bit. This warm air will be aloft, and that sets us up for the chances of some freezing rain in parts of southern and into central Minnesota through the overnight hours. You get to about 4 or 5 o'clock coming through the Twin Cities, but notice starting to turn primarily over to snow into western Wisconsin. The good news is, as you go from 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 o'clock, temperatures keep warming. That's going to reduce our chance of there being icy surfaces. We should get some sunshine around here too as well. We'll see a little more energy moving across northern Minnesota though, and that'll actually be over the next several days. But you can see that ice potential is going to be rather low, but nonetheless, just watch yourself on the sidewalks, the end of the driveway, that front step as you're heading out the door tomorrow morning. Could find the occasional little icy spot out there, but otherwise temperatures are going to take care of that rather easily as we get into the later part of our morning, going into the afternoon hours. Mild temperatures for tomorrow and mild temperatures through that 7-day forecast. Take a look at that, nearly 40 on Christmas Day. We'll watch for more showers there on Friday, dropping temperatures next Sunday.
Woo, nearly 40.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Christmas
There will be
miracle.
40s on the map, I'm sure.
All right, thanks, Jamie.